Bad news for Apple fans from notable leaker John Prosser. More leaks for the OnePlus 8T. Apple is expected to extend the free period for Apple TV Plus, and more in today's tech news. It looks like OnePlus has taken a page out of Google's playbook by leaking a lot of the details of their upcoming phone ahead of their keynote. So the latest fresh leaked press render gives us a glimpse of the upcoming OnePlus 8T colours. And we are now seeing a lunar silver and aquamarine green colours in a side-by-side press render, and this isn't the first time that this has actually been seen for the silver variant. The OnePlus 8T is set to be unveiled on October the 14th with some notable hardware including a 65-watt charging and 120Hz display with Android 11 out of the box. Bad news for UK residents, as this morning at around 8:48 British Standard Time, BT email has gone down and it's affecting customers right across the UK. At the moment, the reason for the outage remains unclear. However, 66% they were having problems with the internet and 27% with email, and just 5% at the moment said they are having trouble using their BT phones. A BT spokesperson has said some customers are experiencing problems trying to use their BT email, and we are working quickly to resolve this. BT broadband services are not affected, and we are very sorry for the inconvenience caused. So it's not just you, it is down across the board for BT there. Notable leaker John Prosser has been active on Twitter for the last hour, and unfortunately he's brought some bad news for those looking forward to the iPhone event. He starts off by saying that pre-orders will begin on October the 16th and that the phones will be available on October the 23rd. However, these dates pertain to the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. The Pro Max and the iPhone Mini are rumoured now to be coming in November. So if you are looking for the lower cost iPhone Mini, then you're going to have to wait a little bit longer. Also, as well, John Prosser then carried on with the bad news to say that Apple has pushed back the announcement and launch of AirTags to March 2021, and this wouldn't be the first time that he said about these being delayed on there, and obviously that is quite bad news if you were looking at trying to use the U1 chip that's in the iPhone 11 and the Apple Watch Series 6. And undoubtedly that will be in all future iPhones and iPads as well. Unfortunately, the bad news doesn't end there. John Prosser also says that AirPods Studio, where he shared a render last month, turns out that those are rumoured to be the luxury variant made of leather and metal, and they're going to be retailing at $599, and that Apple will also offer a sport-like variant of cheaper materials for $350, and again he says that these will not be available at the October event. So unfortunately, this is not a great day for Apple fans if these rumours turn out to be true. Today's episode is sponsored by Creatively Social. Creatively Social helps you in building your social media platforms for your business to thrive with fresh content, marketing and engagement, taking the pressure off you. You can save yourself hours in your day for a better work-life balance. Get in touch at creativelysocialva.com, and thanks to Creatively Social for sponsoring today's episode. Other rumours for the Apple event state that Apple will be releasing a HomePod Mini, which will be priced at $99, and the size of the speaker is said to be about 3.3 inches high, where the original height of the HomePod is 6.8 inches, so it's going to be less than half the size there, and it's allegedly powered by an S5 processor. The HomePod Mini is said to go on sale on November the 16th to the 17th, and Bloomberg Mark Gurman has suggested the new speaker could include 2 tweeters rather than the current model's 7 tweeters. And obviously this is to try and bring costs down. And we've actually put an opinion piece out a few days back saying why it's going to take more than just a HomePod Mini to save this dying product at the moment. So make sure you check that out. We will put links in the description below. If you purchased an Apple device from September 2019, like an iPhone, iPad, Mac or Apple TV, you are automatically eligible for a free year of Apple TV Plus, and these trials would now start to begin and expiring at the end of October. However, according to 9to5Mac, it turns out that you may get a few months extra at no additional charge. Apple will be extending all Apple TV Plus trials through to February 2021. The company will also be giving store credit for people on TV Plus monthly plans during this period. And I want to give a shout out to a new Facebook group focused on Apple devices and products and user experience. We will be putting a link in the description. If you are a Facebook user and want to join a non-toxic group, then check out this new Apple group. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for listening, and I will catch you on the next one.